All right. So what is the title? The title is Outer Space. What do you see on the cover? There are many things on the cover, right? I see some planets, a rocket ship, and who do you see on the cover? Can you say it? Astronauts. Can you say that? Astronauts. Very good. This one is an astronaut. So let's go ahead and read. I can see so many things through this telescope. What is the girl looking through? What is this, everybody? What do we see with this? What's in the night sky? Can you tell me what's in the night sky? What do you see up here? What do you think? What of many things can we see through this? They are twinkling. What are they? What's twinkling? How many of the twinkling things can you see? Can you count? Shall we start together? 1, 2, 3, and keep going. How many do you see? Good. Who do you see here? Do you know the song that's related to this? Think about it. Once again, what are these? What are these? All right, let's go to the next page. I can see a lion upon the sky. What is it? Can you show me where the lion is? Point to the lion. And what is this called? Do you know what this is called, this lion? What is this made up of? What are these? What are these? How many of these make the lion? It's glowing red. What is it? So everybody, what is it? Can you tell me what this is? A big hint, it is a planet. It's the planet after our Earth. What comes after Earth? It's very red, right? It has rings. What is it? It is another planet, right? It's in our solar system and has many, many rings. Do you know what these gases are made of? Do you know what these rings are made of? Ah, I accidentally said it. What are these rings made of? What is this planet? What is it? Something shiny is falling down. What is it? What is this? Do you know what this is called? And when we see this in the night sky, what do we do? What do we do? So here is our solar system. Let's read through our solar system. So at the center of our solar system is our sun. And the first planet we see is Mercury. Repeat it after me. Mercury, Venus, Mars. So we have, let's see, Mars. And which planet are we on? We are on Earth. As the moon. So let's read it in order. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, And there's Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, right? Jupiter is our biggest planet. Saturn is the planet with rings. Uranus also has a ring, has some rings as well. It's tilted on an axis. Neptune is the furthest away from the sun. Mars is one planet away from us. And Venus is actually the hottest planet. Earth is ours, and Mercury is the smallest. So what you are going to do is you are going to cut these planets out, and you're going to glue them on to the correct places. Let's go on to the workbook. All right, so we're going to look at our outer space words, and then we're going to draw a line to match them. So get your pencils ready. So our first word. So this one, the first one, it's the reddest planet. It's a red planet. Do you know what this is called? Mars. Mars. So let's look for Mars. Mars starts with a m. So we are going to look for the letter M, right? So we see two M's. Is it this one? Yes? No? No, it's going to be this one, Mars. M-A-R-S, Mars. And what is the tool that we use to look at stars? What we use this to look at stars up in the night sky. This is called a telescope. Telescope. T-E-L-E-S-C-O-P-E. Very good. The next one, it is the planet with rings, many gassy rings. This is called Saturn. This is called Saturn. S-A-T-U-R-N, Saturn. Very good. The next one, this one's pretty easy. What do you think this is called? So when a star is falling down really fast to Earth or anywhere, we would call this, in a way, we can call that a shooting star, but the actual word for it is going to be meteor. Can you say meteor? Meteor, M-E-T-E-O-R. This one's pretty easy. What is this called? A star, S-T-A-R, star. And this next one, these group of stars that make these shapes that we have names for, the group of stars that make these shapes, this is called constellation. Can you say constellation? Good. One more time. Constellation. C-O-N-S-T-E-L-L-A-T-I-O-N. Constellation. Very good. Let's go on to the next page. Now we're going to fill in the missing letter. Now let's sound out our letters and fill them in. So our first word is going to be, what is it? Telescope. Very good. So it's going to be scope. Telescope. So here we go. Let's break it down. So it's going to be same as this one, right? It's the sound. So what do you think it is? E. It is the letter E. T-E-L-E-S-C-O-P-E. Telescope. The next one, do you remember what the word for the group of stars that make a certain shape is called? Constellation. One more time. Constellation. Very good. So spell it. So you have n. Constellation. So what's that sound? Like octopus, orange. C-O, very nice. C-O-N-S-T-E-L-L-A-T-I-O-N. Very good. So now let's cross these out so we don't need to look at them. The next one we have star. Star. Sound it out. Star. Star. So what do you think it's going to be? R. So S-T, A, 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 R, 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 star, S-T-A-R, star. The next one is the planet behind us, right? The planet after us called Mars. Mars. What is the sound? M-A-R-S. Very good. M-A-R-S. Very good. We're going to cross that out. The next one, what is the planet with rings called? Saturn. Very good. One more time. Saturn. So, Saturn. S-A-T-U-R-N. Very good. The next one is going to be meteor. Meteor, the fast star that shoots down, falls really fast, falls down really fast. That's going to be called a meteor. Can you say meteor? Meteor. Meteor. So that's going to be the letter T. M-E-T-E-O-R. Very good. Good job. Let's go on to the next page. So here's the word search puzzle that I know you can do by yourself. I'll help you with one, and then I'll start you off there. All right. So the words that we are going to be looking for are telescope, star, constellation, Mars, Saturn, and meteor. All right, let me use the color red. All right, let's look for telescope. I will help you out with that one. Telescope. So we're going to look for our T's, right? We're going to look for our T's, and haha, I found it right here. It's this T right here, and we're going to spell it T-E-L-E-S-C-O-P-E. Telescope. I found telescope right there. So after I am done, I'm just going to cross it out. All right, so go ahead and look for star, constellation, Mars, Saturn, and meteor. And while you do that, try to spell them out. All right, let's go on to the next page. All right, so you know what to do here, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the next page, cut out this picture and glue it onto our picture puzzle frame. And we're going to trace the title. Let me zoom in so you can see the title better. And what is the title, everybody? Let's sound it out. We have out, out, Put it together. Out, If you put it together, outer. Very good. Outer. And then we have our magic E here. A, and that's going to be ace. Ace. So this is ace. Can you put our first two letters together as well? So that's going to be ace. Put it together, space. So that is going to be outer space. Very good. So let's go ahead and spell that out. Outer, O-U-T-E-R, and we have S-P-A-C-E, outer space. Very nice. Go on to the next page, some extra pieces. Rocket in space. So how many can you see? How many can you see? Well, let's see. I'm doing this one. Yeah. How many can you see? So how many stars can you see? I'm going to start off with you on this one. I get my highlighter yellow so we can see it. So how many stars can you see? How many stars can you see? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many stars can you see? We would say, I can see how many? 9 stars. 9 stars. So go ahead and get your pen and write 9. We can see 9 stars. And I'm going to do the first row with you, and then you can do the second row by yourself. How many diamonds can you see? How many diamonds can you see? Ooh, this is a little bit hard. All right, let's use our color blue. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that's it. So we have 7 diamonds, right? How many diamonds do you see? 7 diamonds. So go ahead and write the number 7 right there. And finally, the one that I'm going to do with you is the oval. Now, what is the difference between an oval and a circle? A circle is a full round shape. An oval is a little bit wider. It looks like it's pushed down on the top and a little bit wider on the side. So how many ovals do you see? Let's count together. This time I'm going to be using the color green. So let's see, how many ovals do you see? So this one is not exactly a circle. This one would be an oval. So 1. I don't see any ovals here, but I see many ovals here. So 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ovals. So you're going to write the number 5. Go ahead and find how many circles you see, how many triangle, and how many squares you can see. And you would answer by saying, I see circles. I see triangles. I see squares. So we saw that there are 9 stars. I see 7 diamonds, and I see 5 ovals. Great job. Let's go on to the next page. So here are some phases of the moon. The moon, we see different, we see different versions and different shapes of the moon as the earth turns and spins. And we are going to just go over their names when they look like the shape. So first one we have is, let's go from top. Oh, actually, no, we should start here. So when we see the whole moon, that is called the full moon. Full moon. And the next one is going to be waxing gibbous. Waxing gibbous, when it's a little bit darker now. And then it goes into first quarter. First quarter. When it's like almost half. Then it has waxing crescent. Waxing crescent. And when it looks like we can't see the moon, that's going to be new moon. New moon. And then when it shows itself back up from the other side, that's waning crescent. Waning crescent. And the other half is going to be last quarter. Last quarter. The next one after that is going to be waning gibbous. Waning gibbous. And then we come back around full circle to back to full moon. So what you're going to do is you're going to, let me see, where are the, whoops. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to color in and draw in the moons by yourself, looking at the previous picture, and go ahead while you do that, read the names of the phases of the moon together as you draw them. All right, let's go to the next page. So space math game. This one's pretty easy, right? So I'm going to help you out with the tracing, and then you're going to tell me the answer, okay? So let's start. Gonna go with the line. I'm going to do the color blue. So here we go. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. All together, what number is that? So figure it out. You have to figure it out before I get to the bottom. We go here, here. Oh, we gotta go back. Go up, go there, there. I'm here. What's the answer? 5 plus 3 is 8. Very good. Good job. So go ahead and write the number 8 right there. Let's go to our next one. 4 plus 2 equals in total. What is it going to be? I'm going to get my pen. Actually, I'm going to try to draw this out now. This time I'm going to use the color red. So here, then we go here. Whoop, go down, up. I'm here. So 2 plus 4 is going to be 6. Very good. It's going to be 6. So go ahead and write that down. Next one. 1 plus 3 equals in total. This is pretty easy, right? I hope it is. Go here, here, go there. I got to go faster before you say the answer. Oh, it came here. 1 plus 3 is going to be 4. Very good. 4. Let's go a little bit harder. Next one is going to be 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. What is 6? And you add 4 more to that. 6 plus 4. What is that? Figure it out. Go here, there, go down. Whoop. So let's see. We're going to put this one. Oh, I got that wrong. Okay. See, we'll do it again. So here, got that, go here, got that, here, go back here. Oh, is it this one? Did I get that wrong? Maybe. Yes. Okay, so it's here. So I'm just going to put it down here. 6 plus 4, that is going to be 10. That would be 10. So finally, we have 2 plus 7. What is that going to be? With 7, we're going to just add 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is that going to be? Figure it out. I'm going to be, this time I'm going to do black. So go here, go back up, go this way, go back up, go down, go that way, go down, this way, down. That's going to be number 9. Good job. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Good job. Let's go on to the next page. So you're going to look for the hidden pictures and spell those words out. So here we go. So this first one. Did you find it? Yes, right here. I use another color. Right here. And then we're going to write the letter S right here, because star starts with the letter S. Find the next one. What do we need to look for? We have to look for the pig. Pig. So pig is here. And what else? The next one we have to look for. What is it? Apple. Very good. We found our apple. The next one we have cup. Very good. Cup. Right here. And finally, we have egg. Egg, good. And that starts with, well, we got to first find it here. And now we're going to fill in our letters. Pig. Pig starts with the letter P. Very good. So we're going to put P right here. Whoops. There we go. P. And this fruit we see next, what does that start with? That is apple, 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 and that starts with the letter A. Cup. What is that going to be? That's going to be the letter C. Good. And finally, we have egg, and that's going to be the letter E. Very good. All right. So let's go on to the next one. Oh, wait, give me 1 second. There we go. So SPA, sorry, I didn't ask the most important question. SPACE, what does that spell out? That spells out space. Space. Very good. So we're going to go on to the next page. We're going to do dot stop rocket. This one's pretty easy, but I will start you off. You are going to connect them in alphabetical order. You can do this, but I'll start you off. So we start at A, and then where do we go? We go to B, very good. And then we go to C, then D, good. And then E. And then we go to I. No, we go to F. G, good. And then and it comes down to I, H, I, J, K, good. And then L, M, N, good. O, very good. P, good job. You're going to do the rest by yourself. Go ahead and make your rocket ship. Go on to the next page. And this one over here, you're going to label the solar system. And I'll help you out here by drawing out the line. So I'm going to make it thin, and then I'm going to make it the color red. So the first planet closest to the sun, the smallest one, what is that called? That is going to be Mercury. Oh, I just cut the sun. Whoops. Mercury. Good, Mercury. What comes after Mercury? It's the hottest planet of the solar system. It starts with the V. That is going to be Venus. Very good, Venus. Actually, I don't think this one's pretty good. So let's try another way. Ooh, that's not going to work. Okay, then I'm going to do this and just connect it with the line. That's going to be better. And we did. And what planet do we live on, everybody? We live on the planet Earth. Very good. What comes after Earth? Now, a lot of people are trying to live on this planet. It's called Mars. Good. The next planet is the biggest planet in our solar system. It starts with the J, Jupiter. The planet with a lot of rings is going to be called Saturn. And what is the planet that rotates on an axis and it also has rings? It's going to be called Uranus. And finally, the furthest planet away from the sun is going to be called Neptune. So go ahead and cut it out and glue these on. And they're all going around the sun. So go ahead and cut those out and glue those on to label the solar system. Here, we are going to explore the constellation. What you're going to do is you're going to connect them together, looking at the constellation from the side. Go ahead and get your pen so you can connect them as we read the constellations. The first one we have is Ursa Major. What is the Ursa Major? Good, it's a bear. So go ahead and connect the stars to make a bear. This one is called Canis Major. Canis Major. And what is the Canis Major? A dog. Very good. Go ahead and connect the stars to make a dog. This is Lepus. Lepus looks like a rabbit. Very good. This constellation, the constellation Lepus represents a rabbit. So go ahead and connect those together. And you're also here looking at here, you're going to continue to collect the constellations by connecting them in numerical order. So I'll do the first one with you. I'm going to use blue. So this is Leo. Leo, you're going to connect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a Leo. A Leo. The next one, this is a very famous one. So go ahead and connect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is called the Big Dipper. Can you say Big Dipper? Big Dipper. All right, let's connect this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is called Little Dipper. Little Dipper. Go ahead and connect to make Cephas. Cassiopeia? Cassiopeia? No, Cassiopeia. Cassiopeia, Cancer, Cygnus, and finally, Hercules. Go ahead and connect those together. Here, this is easy. You're going to get a pen. And you're going to just follow the lines to get yourself to wherever it goes. So go ahead and follow the line smoothly and best as you can. And it goes here. All right, go ahead and try that by yourself. Here, you're going to find the 5 differences. Let's spot the 5 differences together. I'll help you out. First one is very easy, right? You have an astronaut here, no astronaut here. Here's another easy one. The meteor here, shooting star here. That's 2. Different planets, 3. Space station or rocket ship, but none here, 4. Can you find the last one? It's a little bit tricky. I had a hard time too. Can you find it? I think you can. Yeah, it's the crater here. A crater here, but no crater there. Good job. We're going to go on to the next page. Here, you're going to watch the extra video to create your own constellation viewer chart. So you can make your own constellation viewer chart by making it along with the video. Same with the rocket papercraft. Cut this out and create your own rocket ship. And here are the extra pieces if you ever need anything. And here are your sight words that you can practice with your mom and or dad. Good job, everybody.